Nokia fans, this is the moment you've been waiting for. After years of anticipation, Nokia is back with a smartphone that's set to redefine the game. Say hello to the Nokia X200 Ultra 5G, a device so powerful, so packed with cutting-edge tech, it's practically from the future. If you're also excited to get your hands on this beast of a smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Because today, we'll be diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia X200 Ultra 5G. Display. First up, the display. Imagine a 6.84-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen, with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. But wait, it gets better. With a blazing fast 390Hz touch sampling rate, every swipe, tap, and scroll feels instant. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass armor, and has an IP68 rating, because life happens, and your phone should be ready for it. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Nokia X200 Ultra 5G features a 300-megapixel primary sensor. Yes, zoom in, crop in, and still get crystal clear details like never before. Pair that with a 50-megapixel, 32-megapixel, and a 5-megapixel sensor. In selfie lovers, the 50-megapixel front camera will make sure you always look your best. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, delivering lag-free, lightning-fast performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing, this phone won't slow you down. And with the latest Android 16 straight out of the box, you're getting the smoothest, most optimized experience possible. Battery. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This Nokia phone packs a massive 7700mAh battery. And when you do need to power up, 125-watt fast charging will get you from 0% to 100% in no time. No more waiting around, just pure, uninterrupted power. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will this beast cost? Well, Nokia is keeping it surprisingly affordable at just $599 globally. And when can you get your hands on it? Rumors suggest it'll hit shelves by the end of 2025, so start saving now.